Question 15. To make porridge, Goldilocks mixes together 3 bags of oats with 1 bag containing 20% wheat bran and 80% oats. All the bags have the same volume. What percentage of the volume of Goldilocks's porridge mixture is wheat bran? So to pull all this information out, we've got 3 oats, we've got 1/5 wheat, and we've got 4/5 that are oats as well. So we're looking at a fraction. We know it's 1/5 wheat. We know that if we add them all together, we're looking at our answer. 3 plus 1/5 plus 4/5. This is going to be 1, so therefore we have 4. 1/5 divided by 4, which is the same as saying 1/5 divided by, let's go this way first, 4, which is the same as saying 1/5 multiplied by 1/4. This is 1/20. 1/20 is 5%, which means the answer is A.